Now that I'm in it this far, I know what's going to happen. We're going to take this engine home. I'm going to show you how we get it running again. I'll probably even make it nice and neat looking. Maybe we'll repaint it. And then because we're going to have a nice looking engine, I'm not going to stick it back in the tractor. We're going to have to clean up the tractor so that it's worthy of putting the engine in it. If you saw in my previous video up here, we got the Onan engine running again. We need to get it back in there. There's some minor things we need to fix along the way. We'll get this thing cleaned up, maybe even put some fresh paint in there. I always prefer to work on things that are clean versus covered in grease and grime, so we're going to power wash this thing first. So the boys and I have been out here all day working on this thing. Didn't get a lot of video, but we were making progress, which is what's important. This thing's been whooping my butt. Guys, it's time to start it. Let's give this thing the first start. No, there's not a seat on it. I got the seat over there in the corner. We'll deal with that later. That's like the least of the worries. Here we go. Oh my goodness. You want choke or not? Carb adjustments, that's no big deal. getting pretty close to wrapping up the QT16. Got the lights back installed, seat on, new tires. It's been sandblasted, prime painted several times. Got wheel weights here, still to be put on. Side panels, check out those. These are Kenda KO2s. They're TerraTrax. Set of 4. I like these. These are really nice and aggressive. They remind me a little bit about the John Deere HDAP, heavy duty all purpose. Should be good for plowing snow, I'm thinking. Let me show you under the hood. Engine's all cleaned up. It's got all the tin painted as well. I did get new pipes for the exhaust, using the same old muffler because those are not easy to come by, and when you do come by them, they're pretty expensive. Actually sounds pretty good though. Let me start it up. Pretty nice, huh? Check out my other videos on this tractor. I have a Bolens QT16 playlist. This is a tractor that I used as a kid, and just kind of recently, just before last Thanksgiving, I picked this up from a friend who had it, and it wasn't running, wasn't in good condition. I think it's pretty good now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should be fun to use this next winter for snow removal. I got a plow, I got mower deck, rototiller, and a snow blower for it. I'm planning on using that plow. I used to run tire chains on it when I was a kid and used it for snow removal, but that's not my plan any longer.